Want to know how to check your reward calendar in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game and make sure you are under this interface right here. This should be your main menu. So now once under your main menu, here on the left side, you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So you can just simply select this hamburger icon over the menu right here. And now here should be given more interfaces that you can simply choose from. And here right below daily login rewards, on the left side you should be seeing reward calendar, just simply like that. So now once you've selected the reward calendar, you should be seeing various rewards that you should have. So this is usually for the new raid players or the returning ones. So you need to collect rewards right here. You will get awesome rewards, and which is actually a mystery. So if you miss it, you cannot redeem it. So that's it, super simple and easy. So you can just simply select it in order to get it and come back every day in order to do so. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.